Tremco, services we provide. Tremco is the leading roofing contractor in Pretoria, Centurion and Midrand and offers the following services. Replacing existing zinc roofs. An existing zinc roof will need to be replaced when the roof structure is badly damaged as well as when badly corroded zinc sheeting occurred. The roof does then not meet the requirements and no longer serves its purpose to keep moisture out of the roof. Due to irregular roof maintenance, corrosion will happen. When the metal in zinc-coated roof's sheets gets exposed to the external elements, it will rust. If left too long or without the correct treatment, this will result in the failure of your roof's function and the replacing the zinc roof is unavoidable. We also do repairing zinc roofs, waterproofing and painting of zinc roofs, repair tile roofs, repairing of box gutters, waterproofing and painting of tile roofs, waterproofing and regular maintenance on concrete roofs, damp-proofing of balconies, SOAs and cellars, damp-proofing and painting of internal and external walls. Tremco's guarantee. Tremco is proud of the materials used and the workmanship of its expert workforce. All material used as well as workmanship is guaranteed for a full period of 5 years. Thereafter an extended guarantee is available if the roof is inspected by Tremco and any touch-up work being done. Visit our site https://tremco.co.za or call 0732708270.